In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google account. Whether you're new to Google or looking to create an additional account, this guide will walk you through each step in a straightforward and easy to follow manner. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to successfully create your new Google account. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Google's homepage. You can do this by typing Google into your search bar and clicking on the first link, or by simply entering google.com directly in the address bar. Once you're on the Google homepage, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a sign in button. Give that button a click. It's important to remember that even though we'll be signing up for a new account, the sign in button is where we need to start. This action will redirect you to the Google sign in page. Rather than entering any login information here, we're going to look for the option that says create account. This link is usually found below the empty email and password fields. Choose for myself if this account is for personal use. If it's for a business, there's an option for that too. Once you've clicked the appropriate link, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information such as your first and last name. After that, you'll need to choose your email address. Google will offer suggestions based on your name, or you can customize it to something more personalized. Make sure to choose something professional and easy to remember. Next, you'll be asked to create a password. Choose one that's strong and secure, preferably a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Be sure to jot this down somewhere safe, as you'll need it to access your account in the future. After entering your password, it's time to verify your identity. Google may request to send a verification code to your phone number or recovery email if you have one. Follow the prompts to complete this step. This is crucial because it helps keep your account secure. Finally, you'll arrive at a page where you can add recovery information. This step is optional but highly recommended. Providing a phone number and backup email address means that in case you ever forget your password, you'll have a way to recover your account quickly. And there you have it, you've successfully created your Google account. Feel free to explore all the features Google has to offer, from Gmail to Drive, and customize your account settings to better suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy Googling.